In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a professional portfolio website in Notion. We're going to keep this simple and efficient by starting with a ready-made layout and then tailoring it to your style. First, open Notion and create a new page. You can give it a working title like My Portfolio so you can find it easily later. This is just a container for now. We'll swap in a polished structure in a moment. At the bottom of the page, click Templates. This opens Notion's template area, which is designed to help you jumpstart common workflows and page types without building everything from scratch. From here, choose the broader templates option that takes you to the marketplace. The marketplace has a larger, curated gallery with many community-made designs that already look and feel like real portfolio websites. Use the search bar and type portfolio. You'll see a range of options appear instantly. Take a second to scan the results and look for designs labeled as free so you can get started without any cost. Click into a few previews to compare styles. Pay attention to the overall layout, whether it includes sections you'll likely need, such as about area, a grid or list for projects, and a simple contact block. And make sure the visual tone matches your field, whether that's design, development, writing, or something else. When you found a good fit, click Add. Notion will copy that template into your workspace and open it as a new page. You can rename it right away and drag it in the sidebar to keep it organized. Now it's time to edit the portfolio template. Replace the header text with a clear headline and a short subheading that explains what you do and the value you bring. Update any placeholder avatar, cover, or logo with your own brand visuals. In the About section, keep your bio concise and specific. 2 or 3 sentences focused on your niche, strengths, and recent achievements. Move on to projects and swap in your best work. For each item, include a strong title, a 1 or 2 sentence summary, your role, the tools you used, and any measurable outcomes. Link to live demos or repos where relevant. Reorder projects so your strongest examples appear first. Use Notion's blocks to enhance readability, callouts for key wins, toggles for deeper case study details, and dividers to separate sections. Keep typography consistent. Trim extra filler and check that every link works. Finally, skim the page on desktop and mobile to ensure spacing, images, and text look clean and scannable. That's it. Create a new page, open templates, head to the marketplace, search portfolio, pick a free template, click add, and customize it until it reflects your best work. Save your changes and you're ready to share your polished portfolio whenever you need it.